The U.S. Air Force, USAF, on August 19th, awarded contracts worth approximately $4.9 billion to 5 companies for the development of an adaptive engine prototype for the service's 6th-generation fighter jet, also called NGAD. USAF awarded General Electric, GE, Aviation, Pratt & Whitney, P&W, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman each unlimited delivery contract with a ceiling of $975 million for the prototype phase of the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program, NGAP. Conventional turbofan jet engines, such as the F-135 from the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter or the F-119 from the F-22 Raptor, use 2 streams of air with one flowing through the engine core, while the other, called bypass air, flows around the engine. Of the 5 companies that have been awarded contracts to build prototypes under the NGAP program, only GE Aviation and Raytheon Technologies P&W are currently manufacturers of fighter jet engines and happen to be the 2 main suppliers of engines for American fighter jets. Companies have differing views on whether adaptive engines are a good fit for the F-35. GE Aviation believes its XA-100 engine will greatly improve the F-35's speed, range, and heat management, giving it the ability to handle more sophisticated systems.